Hey everybody, I wanted to show you kind of what we've been dealing with this week and why I don't have any eco-finish content, because we had a pool that was within like 4 hours of getting shot with the eco when all of this came. We haven't had over 4 inches of snow on the ground at one time in Springfield since 2014. Growing up here, I can say that's not normal. We used to get a lot of snow, but we've been pretty spoiled the last few winters, and we got about 10 inches this week with the big storm that took over the whole Midwest. Kind of slowed our roll. But I've tried to get back to all of you guys that have reached out about the training, because it is live. So I'm reaching out to all of you guys tonight that are signed up with a detailed email about itinerary and everything else. I'm going to take you in the office right now and show you. I just wanted to show you right here, right where I'm standing is where we're training on the monopore pool. We're going to be digging this thing out here the last week of February, getting it totally ready to go, and then we will we'll just let it set and wait for the training. That's kind of an advantage to this pool, is we're going to get it all ready, and normally we want to pour it right away, but we can wait on this one. And then right over here. Okay, so my once a video quota of messing up my microphone, so I'm just going to do a little voiceover on this clip real quick, but this is right next door to the pool, and as soon as the snow melts, we're excavating a 2-car garage that's all ICF construction as well, assuming the city goes ahead and gives us the permit. We've already got the permit on the pool, but they're delaying that one a bit. But assuming they do, we will have that as kind of a bonus pour just to see kind of regular walls as well. Okay, guys, so just a real quick hit today. As you can see out my window, we actually got a lot of snow for the first time in several years. So weren't able to really get a lot of eco-finish or any of our pool stuff done at all this week. Advanced a few of the indoor projects, but nothing I was ready to bring you. And I really needed to talk to all of you that have reached out on the ICF Guru site and signed up for our first training, the one that's March 31st to April 3rd. The response has been overwhelmingly positive and great, and I'm super excited. But I think we were a little caught off guard with how many of you would sign up right away. And our e-commerce stuff is, we really just expected to have that up and running by the time the pool kits were running. And so what I'm doing to get back to all of you so you can make your travel arrangements, I know several of you have reached out to me about that, is I am sending an email with the training contract attached and all the payment information and just everything in an email. I'm going to send it to every single one of you. With the exception of the last few that have signed up, because I just don't feel comfortable with over a certain number of people the first time. I want everybody to come. I believe that every one of you is going to be able to easily just go into the market and either build your own pool or go into the pool business in your market and make back 10 times what you spend on this in the first pool, truly. So I don't want anybody feeling like it was too crowded, too many people. I'd like to keep these small and do more of them, as opposed to just having everybody come at once. So I think we're already looking at dates in early to mid-May, where we'll probably do one of our pool kits with kind of a novice builder, and we'll kind of go. You guys can come in and see those pools go. We'll have a bunch of monopores still in process. I'm not sure we'll have one to pour, but we'll have a demo set up where we can do that. To where we can actually show you hands-on on the monopore stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to get you real quick. If you don't get an email from me and you signed up, I'm pretty sure we've got everybody on the list here. The website's tracking everybody pretty good on that respect. But if you don't, go ahead and email this email address right here, and I will get right back to you, because today is the day I'm trying to, like I said, the weather was nuts. We were covering up job sites so we could peel off some plywood and tarps and stuff and get right back to work and not have to wait for a week or two for this to melt. And we fought that all week, and today's my day to get all this organized, and I will be responding to all of you guys tomorrow, get everybody signed up, locked in, and ready to come learn this really cool pool system. So guys, thank you for all the responses. Thank you for all of the interest. I think it's we're really going to change the pool industry, and the more the merrier in this endeavor. So looking forward to seeing all of you.